Can you explain to us the difference between a variety, a dialect, and a language?
Okay, so a dialect is a variety of a language that is descended from another language. So, in a sense, all of the varieties of Latin are Italian, Spanish, Catalan, Occitan, Sicilian, Sardinian. All of these languages are varieties of Latin, but we could also say that they are dialects of Latin. So all of the languages that we call dialects in Italy, either they're all varieties or they're all languages. So there's no difference between a dialect and a variety, really. But when you say variety, it means a style of speaking. So we prefer to actually say language practices now, because the language practice of a certain area tends to match very similarly all of the surrounding areas around it. So Trapani, for example, all of the villages and settlements around Trapani will have a language practice that closely matches those of the other ones around them. When you get to Palermo, for example, the variety spoken there is basically a group of language practices that differ. They differ substantially from the Trapani practices in order that we could call them another dialect or another variety. And in reality, we call them dialects of Sicilian or varieties of Sicilian because they closely resemble each other. But in reality, they haven't descended from another language, in which case we can't call them dialects. The only dialects are really varieties of Latin.